Welcome to PPT Gems. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to compress a video using PowerPoint presentation and how to extract the embedded video from the PowerPoint. So let's begin. So here I have this video fast typography and the size of this video is around 24 MB. Now I just want to reduce the size so that I can share it easily. Alright, so for that, firstly I'm going to add the same video to my PowerPoint presentation. So here I've already added the video here. Okay. Now in the next step, I'll go to the file option. In the file option, I'll go to the info option. And here you can see compress media option. So when you go to the drop down menu, there is one option standard that is 480 pixels. So I'm going to select this one. So by this, I have compressed around 20.6 MB. Okay. Now close. Now in the next step, I'm going to save it. Alright, so let's just select the destination. Alright, and just hit the save button. As you can see, the size of this video is 24,508 KB, and when I added the same video in the PowerPoint and when I compressed it, the size turned to 3,491 KB only. Okay. Now in the next step, if we want to extract the embedded video from the PowerPoint, so what are we going to do? We'll go to the view option, we'll go to show option and just make sure that the file name extension is selected. Okay, and then when I'm going to click here, so just change the extension from PPTX to ZIP and then press enter key. So here we'll have a warning that if you change your file name extension, the file might become unstable, unusable. Are you sure you want to change it? So of course I want to change it. So press yes. Okay. Now I have this zip file. So when I open this zip file, so when you open the WinZip file, so we see so many options. We will go to the PPT option. Then we'll go to the media option. And here we'll go to the media1.mp4. I'm going to press the Ctrl C to copy this media. Okay. Now I'm going to paste it over here by pressing the Ctrl V key. So here we have this same media, the same file, but the size is only 3,458 KB and the length is also same. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.